Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can fix can't deliver user unavailable on Messenger. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open the Play Store or App Store on your mobile device. Get to the search menu and search for Messenger. Now, check if the Messenger app has any updates available. If there are, make sure to install them and then open the app. Here, all of your recent chats will be displayed. Now, access the target chat, tap on the profile banner at the top, scroll down to the bottom, and select Restrict. After that, tap on Restrict again, and then get to the home page. Now, tap on the three lines icon at the top left corner, then just select the Settings icon and locate the Privacy and Safety tab. Inside it, access Restricted Accounts, find the target account, and unrestrict them. You will then see that your problem has been solved. So that's basically how you can fix can't deliver user unavailable on Messenger. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.